Good day, I hope you're doing well. Today I will be showing you Cloud Development B, part 3 of a portfolio of evidence. So in essence, it will be the entire project with all of its components. So we agree to the lovely login screen, nothing too grand. It's welcome to ABC Retail, obviously a placeholder. But we will register a user and then let's just register. And then we can choose our role, admin or user. I'm going to choose admin because I have pre-made a user account. So we're going to register an admin account as well. Okay, register, and we're going to sign in with our user account, which is this one. Okay, we shall log in, and we are greeted with our landing page, just telling us what services we offer. And this is all for part 1 and part 2, so just showing and displaying that. Where we go to services, and this is where the queue function, stable storage, and file shares and image shares were tested. All still working, running through Azure functions, which I'll show later. Now, what is new is you can see here we've got our role designation. So just customer to indicate that you are logged in as a customer. Log out, which takes us back to the login page. I'll log right back in. And then we can go into shop. So this is totally real items that we have going here. It's all being pulled from our database and blob storage. So we have a few items for sale here. So we can also sort them from high to low or low to high. You can see that the currency is in dollars, but that's okay. This is international, so it's all good. And then the functionality behind this, so you can obviously see which products you want or which products might interest you. So cloud storage and actual cloud, who doesn't want that? And it's only $1,000. And then, yeah, this is obviously like the pinnacle of what we offer, just a hot mom finder. I mean, it's just beautiful. And a skill transfer cable, you can transfer skills from anybody you want. So obviously we have to add that. And then 404 error fixer, who doesn't want that? And then an antivirus, so that might be dangerous. As you can see, every time we add something to a cart, it tells us how many items we have there. So if we go to cart and see all of our items, also see our total amount. And you know what? One, two of those skill transfer cables will update that. And as you can see, the price has also been updated. We will check that out. And then here, our order is being displayed. Our total amount, our status of the order, the products we have ordered. Okay, with that, we can log out and we will log back in with an admin account. So a few things are going to be different. We still have our landing and service pages. However, instead of shop and cart, we have manage products for the administrators. We can delete products and edit products, and obviously it reflects onto the database. Can also add products, so managers or admins have full CRUD operations. Now, if we go to orders, this will display orders from every customer, so not just one, not just the one we created for this purpose, but for each and every customer. As you can see, we have a clear all orders button here, so if there's too many or all of them have been handled, then we can clear all of them, and then it will be clean slate. Okay. Also, you can see admin, just a role indicator up top again. And then we can change the status from pending, processing, shipped, and delivered. So we'll change it to processing, can log back out, and then we can go into our customers account, and I can show you that the status has in fact been changed, as you can see. And then we'll do it one more time. Okay. If you want to test the CRUD operations of managing products out, you're more than welcome to do so. Okay, and then we can say it's been delivered. Beautiful. Log out, and then we can go back into our user account. And as you can see, the status has also been updated here. Beautiful. Okay, and that just about covers what this application does. Been a few extra things here. And yeah, I had a bit of fun. Something else to note that is quite important: if a user has entered the wrong password 3 times in a row, there is a bit of a security system that gets triggered, as you'll see. So it's just a very light-hearted security system. But then as soon as the user enters the correct password, they are allowed in. So just some light security. As you can see, project has been uploaded to GitHub. All my, or at least most of my classes, which I thought necessary, have good amounts of citations, references, and then comments explaining key aspects of the code. So feel free to look into that as well. All right, thank you so much.